Yes, I'm a woman. I take the ugliest woman in the whole world.
Grandma!
Yes, I'm a woman. I take the ugliest woman in the world.
I like her, Fine Foot.
Sofina likes you. My Sofina yesterday.
She said she loves me. You see, Fine Foot? Yeah, she said she loves me. Yes. It's your woman?
She's a woman.
Fine Foot, why are you lying? Fine Foot, I love her.
You better time. What's on you? You better time.
She was washing your clothes. Don't deny her.
Time. You both on your woman. You know better time.
I like her.
Hmm? Yes, I'm a woman. Like a young army.
Is she?
Mm-hmm.
She's younger than you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, Fine Foot, you like them younger. Okay. I like her, Fine Foot. What did she cook for dinner? Okay, that's fine, but what did she cook for dinner? What did she cook for dinner? She said she was gonna cook. She said she was gonna cook. Yeah. Huh? But Fine Foot, she I saw your clothes on the line yesterday though. At her house. And she was taking them out. She can wash though. Clean.
Mm-hmm, clean.
Yeah. She can wash really good.
A good woman.
I don't know why Fine Foot.
So I'm making a closing showing security kind of security nerves.
Oh.
Doctor say we have to clean nerves. Wow. And teeth them. A good girl.
Yeah, I like her. I love her. I love her.
You see about chicken back.
A lot of good.
Oh. I thought you have to take to make care of.
A lot of good.
I like me love Lally.
I love Lolly too, Grandma. Not true.
Mm-hmm.
Lolly's a nice woman. We love her. Yeah. Take care of her, Fine Foot, yeah?
Oi. I told you, say, you want back to here, Titi?
Grandma, behave.
Come here. Lally say active.
Yeah?
Lally say can't work.
Yo! Grandma, behave. Fine Foot, what are you doing on this Independence Day? It's Jamaica Independence Day. So you're not gonna drink 2 beers and relax yourself? You're not gonna drink 2 beers? You want me to buy you a beer? What kind of beer? Huh? Alright, I'll buy you a Guinness. You gonna come back for it? You gonna come back for it? The Guinness. I brought you a gift and I'm buying you a beer. I buy you a beer every time I come, Fine Foot. You miss her? She's gonna come see you soon, give you a shave, and y'all can reason. What's this? This is the peace sign, Grandma.
This is the peace sign, but I shall show at them and shall show us.
PNP?
Oh, wow.
What's the labor rights sign? Peace. Why didn't you marry Fine Foot and he was in love with you?
Into journalist.
Fine Foot was in love with my grandma.
Into journalist.
He is? He works hard though.
You know that's why good somebody take care of him, to bathe him.
So what, you're gonna bathe your husband?
Yeah.
So should I bathe my husband when I get married?
Yeah.
What's wrong with his hands?
Then what's wrong with bathing your husband? And him bathe you and you bathe him.
I don't want nobody to bathe me. I can bathe myself.
Yeah, if you're not tan strong, you might want to bathe there.
If I
up New Jersey, you know, Delma.
Mom would want to bathe me?
Mm-hmm.
Mom's bathed me before. You're gonna let Mom bathe you?
So when me sick, then them, I don't know how to bathe me.
You want me to bathe you? All right, I'll bathe you, Grandma.
Don't you bathe me, Tiana?
Yeah. Of course, Grandma.
When he sick, I'm bathing. Lovell. And when me take off his clothes, remember saying couldn't help himself, you know?
Yeah.
So, me said, Lovell, your titty they turn up.
Grandma! Lot of good.
He said, yes, Mama. He said, how then? How your spine no damage?
Lot of good, Grandma.
Yeah, must ask himself.
But that's personal. Just wash and put him back down. Lot of God, Grandma. I wouldn't go into that information. Well, Lolly's gonna bathe Finefoot. Lolly! Finefoot, why are you acting like you don't know who this is? Lolly!
They act like in better than Lolly.
She had 3 nice handbags she was carrying.
You say husband saying if you carry too much handbag.
I saw you said Finefoot? What do you say?
What I say?
A Finefoot woman.
Hey woman, yes. Yes. Lolly come from good family, you know.
I love her, Grandma.
A 2 brother ain't got a pasta.
I love Lolly.
Every people love him.
Don't you see? We loved each other. And she loves great grandma. So how couldn't I not love
I
her?
love Mama too.
Loves my grandma. My great grandma. Finefoot said he used to take care of me.
Where?
In Maryland. Mom would leave me with him. Is that true?
Mom left here with him?
Yes.
I gotta find food. Tell Finefoot say your grandma take care of you.
Exactly. You and Boise.
I'm Boise.
You and Boise.
So come up here and lick him to wash it. Can't touch him.
Yeah?
So we know. We didn't lick the foot, them they plot they up there. Him couldn't catch him.
Come beat me. Huh? Oh, you're getting married to Finefoot. Lot of God.
You want me mash up bloody life?
Yes, no. My grandma's not a home wrecker. Finefoot, but you're in Chaparita. All right, boss.
But Lolly won you.
Yeah?
But Lolly won you. He say, and then ma tell me, they back call me, Mama, guess I want Finefoot there. You say me no know. I'm a Lolly.
I like her. Grandma, Finefoot said, do you love him? She said yes. Finefoot said you're giving him... Finefoot said you're giving peer problems. Look at the general. Your wife wants to talk to you.
When they go make you talk for internet there?
I took them out of here. You said 2 why I'm in the trim already. Yeah. So what do you do? You bet your city. We work on work this one. Oi? Look at work this one. We get on here. We get in time. We're going to work this one.
So, good morning, guys. I'm doing an official good morning. We are going to the beach. Grandma's right there. Look at Grandma with her legs out. Hottie, hottie. So, yeah, so we're going to go to the beach.
I'm gonna take you there. I'm gonna woo, woo, hey, hey, hey. Well, then the lights don't you crying the goodbyes. Just won't work. Stars in the sky look so nice in your eyes. So much you were hurt. Hey, I'm not stupid. I'm not a fool. Know what I'm doing. I've been so schooled. Kept a firm grip on my tongue.
Huh? Grandma, I'm fine. I just don't want anyone to see me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I clean up how people look for. Let me use this.
Oh, thanks.
This is not clean for trash, yes, sir. No, put it on the sun.
Why?
On this, sir.
The fuss. Dang, Grandma, I told you not to say anything. Yeah. He's ready? Let's just go. Grandma, I told you not to say anything. We just swam, as you guys saw. I hope we captured some of the footage. But we swam. It was really, really nice. But we're gonna leave because, first of all, it's Independence Day. We're at the park and
ready?
Huh?
Ready?
We can. Hey, Grandma, the sand's even all on your face.
Son?
Grandma was swimming. It felt good.
Me want American to teach me to swim, and then go and then come back. Me come now to teach me to swim.
That's what he said? That's what he said?
Yeah, and people be now, and he sit down. You don't have no privacy. He come sit down right before me.
And the whole beach is like empty, like
and
not a lot of.
The whole beach is like empty.
Yeah.
And he come the view. Every turn we turn, enjoy the palm. We don't have no privacy.
Yeah, I felt uncomfortable. We went to Grandma and I were swimming. We were having. I know, but like we were swimming. Me and Grandma were swimming. When we first got here, he came. What did he say?
American, want the American.
How does he know I'm American? I didn't even talk or say anything. No, because I didn't say nothing. Remember, we just came in,
American.
I'm not American.
He teach me how to swim. And in go away and come back. Me come back now for the American teach me how to swim.
That's what he said?
Yeah.
I didn't hear him say that.
You didn't hear him?
No.
Yes. Then I in the car.
I didn't listen. No, I couldn't hear him. I just ignored him. But I just thought, okay.
Come back now for American teach me how to swim.
Yeah, but he's saying whatever he's saying, but he said what he had to say and he left and we started to swim. But then when he came back and sat like right in front of us just staring, then I felt uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But I wasn't gonna say anything. I was just gonna get myself in. I'd be out. You know what I mean? I wouldn't have said anything because people will do anything for the littlest thing. So that's why I was just like, yo, let's just go. Yo, so yeah. Y'all know I'm so easygoing, but I felt so uncomfortable. I'm in like this little bikini, which I'm fine wearing a bathing suit. I'm fine wearing a bathing suit or whatever. I'm in my country. I feel good. I'm with my grandma. We're swimming. We're like laughing. Grandma's like doing tricks. but like just for this guy to like literally take set on us, sweetie, we gotta go. That was uncomfortable. So now we're gonna leave. We're gonna go shower. We're gonna shower and just go.
Hello? Eh? Not now. Oh.
Guys, look, my hottie cuz is coming. Clove, don't you see Grandma is
Disrespecting you.
Clove, you don't see.
Give him an alligator.
Listen. You hear Grandma?
You don't listen to her?
Not at all. Because why would you sit in the car back? You belong in the front.
That's it.
Mhm.
That's what the parents were there. Worry yourself. Worry yourself, girl. I got it. Got your boyfriend. Don't listen to your grandmother, yeah?
She wish she was in the car front.
Yes.
Why are you trying to play Clove like that, Grandma?
I say I'm going to be a while.
Let her go.
Watch your face. So no, sempre stick.
It's the bra.
Oh, you
Bra.
So
Nothing. What's going on with you? How's Corona treating you?
Corona?
Yeah.
We not doing yet. This is Corona.
Nothing. You know I'm here.
Corona.
No? God is good then. You're still working? Normal?
We work like only on Mondays.
Why?
Because the pastor work from home.
So Corona is affecting you?
Yes, in other area, but like differently.
You're coming?
Yes.
Clover, you're coming? Talk about you're not dressed. Yeah, Clove. Oh, were you? Is your husband there?
Here.
At the park that you didn't want to come with us.
Yeah. Something easy.
I'm just saying. Dang, it's been a year. I wonder why I didn't come last year. What happened last year? This is so pretty.
I'm gonna take you there. I'm gonna make you laugh. Hey, I'm gonna take you there.
What? Why is he boring the people? Yeah. Guys, we're at the beach party. We're gonna get some food and stuff. It's so many people. But we're gonna eat. I'm hungry. You can hear the music. And we got almond drops. It looks pretty cool. I'm about to eat it. Bought the fish. Maybe people are tired of chicken. We should have bought it this morning when we came, but we were in such a haste to leave. Is the party done? You wanna try it? You wanna try it? The almond drop? Sweet?
Sweet.
It's nice, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Mama, you wanna try it? No? Sweet, right? No?
I never said anyone.
So we just got home, but I couldn't really vlog because it was a lot of people and that would just be super awkward. But yeah, so we're home now and we're relaxing. We're home now and we're relaxing. My cousin Clover left. She's gonna come back tomorrow. And that's
Me no know make you do me so. Nico, you mash up me life. Nico.